is emerging on the face of the earth. A new human. An infinite human. And that human is you. Welcome to the Infinite Human Talk Show with your host, Elizabeth Monroy.
Hello, my Infinite Human family. Here I am in this beautiful restaurant at Masada de Vallo. We're going to see the Satiro, and this is part of the Esoteric Florence tour. And I gotta pronounce the name. Come si pronuncia il nome del ristorante?
Baia del Conte.
Baia del Conte. And this is the staff. They're very attentive, and I'm going to have fresh fish. Oh, grazie, grazie. Here we are. Grazie. And it's right on the beach, so I'm going out here to look at the beach. Oops, he's showing me something. And there's some other seats inside here. Yes, beautiful. And if you can see, it's right on the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. A little village here where a 2,000-year-old statue was pulled out. We're going to go to the museum to see it here in Masada da Vallo. Very unique little fishing village here. It's very old. And there's Kiki under the table waiting for us. Hello, my divine infinite human family. Today finds us here in Masada da Vallo. Hello, my divine infinite human family. It's the public school day at the Museum of the Satiro, so it's been hard for me to get up close and take pictures, but I did a short video without my face in it. So Sicilians really love their history and their art. They really, really cherish it. This is the dancing Satiro. It is over 4,000 years old, and it was found in the waters right outside off the coast of Trapani, the waters of Masada de Vallo. Now notice that he has his leg flung up, and although it's difficult to tell because he lost different parts, but he was spinning in a dance, much the same way the whirling dervish spin, and the focus was, the point of his spinning was the spinning motion was aligning his chakras, and he was whirling into a trance-like state. And although it's not there, they call this a Satiro because they made many of them, and it demonstrates how to open your third eye. He was carrying, they believe, in his right arm a fennel staff with a pine cone on the end of it, which demonstrates how the pine cone represents the third eye. So if you look closely at his face, which is hard to see because of all the people and the light, his eyes are cast upward, and he's kind of in an ecstasy, a state of ecstasy from his spinning and chakras opening and his third eye opening.